The current coronavirus pandemic has raised many family law issues in North Carolina. As the situation changes, you should be prepared to adapt. We at Rice Law are here to help. While the courts are not currently closed, they are limiting what will be heard. For this reason, we and other lawyers are spending more time trying to negotiate solutions with opposing attorneys and unrepresented litigants. For more on court closings, see nccourts.org. Child custody exchanges. We are receiving a number of questions about whether custodial parents should exchange minor children. Questions such as, do I have to exchange my child with his or her co-parent? If you have a court order or a written agreement which requires the exchange, your failure to exchange the minor child could result in a contempt of court or other legal action. The American Academy of Matrimonial Lawyers, the AAML, and the Association of Family and Conciliatory Courts, the AFCC, are currently recommending compliance. Well, what if the co-parent lives in a location that is locked down? In some counties, such as Dare County, North Carolina, visitors and non-residents are prohibited from entering the county, making exchanges difficult, if not impossible. If you are unable to comply with a court order, the court will generally find that to be a valid justification for non-compliance. What if the co-parent is engaging in unsafe behavior? We have had clients indicate that their co-parent is not taking the pandemic seriously, and by way of examples, allowing children to go to sleepovers, allowing neighbors' children to play without knowing if they are following protection protocols or have been exposed, and not being cautious of limiting contact or practicing social distancing. In general, parents may parent in any way they deem appropriate. It's best to communicate with the co-parent and see if you can agree on the guidelines that each household will follow with respect to COVID-19. However, if you can't agree and are worried that their actions are truly endangering the child or children, you may withhold visitation at your own risk. If the court later believes you acted reasonably and are justified, you won't be held in contempt. But if the court believes you were unreasonable, you could be held in contempt. Contempt may result in jail time, fines, attorney fees, and other sanctions. What if your co-parent refuses to exchange? Talk to them and see if you can resolve the concerns. If you believe that the visit could lawfully occur and they are being unreasonable, consult with us about the next steps, including whether you should file a contempt of court action. We expect the court docket will be full of cases given the limited cases that are being heard now. So if you want the issue to be timely heard, you need to have it filed soon. Rice Law attorneys are available to meet with clients virtually via telephone, Skype, or Zoom as we navigate the issues in this pandemic. Call us at 910-762-3854 to schedule your virtual appointment.